want to learn how to build one, check it out. But the obvious question is,
how do you run up a warp wall?
so in this video, we're going to be showing you how to run up a warp wall. Both of these guys have been to a ninja camp, and they're going to give us some tips. Let's get into it. Alright, for you guys, Lucas has our first tip.
So what helps me to go up a warp wall easier is just walking along and counting out my steps up to the warp wall.
Xander has our next tip for us.
My tip is to figure out how many steps you take on the wall before you reach for the top. I take 2 steps and 1 final push.
That'll look like this. My tip for you guys is to find a good place where you're starting and you're comfortable with. So for me, I like to start actually a little closer to the warp wall, because otherwise if I start too far away, I psych myself out and I slow down. But for some people, it's good if they can start farther and they can speed up, and that helps them. So just really find a place where you're comfortable with.
Something that helped me with the warp wall was doing pull-ups, because that gets my grip strength and my upper body strength to help me get over the wall. One of the things that helped me get my grip strength on the wall was doing a lot of dead hangs from 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you don't know what a dead hang is, it's pretty much where you just hang from a bar with your arms long. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, for my tip, I'm going to say that it's really useful to practice running up the warp wall. So you go on the warp wall and you almost use it as if it's like a treadmill to get your legs adjusted to running up a slope, or you can do it on like a slide or something. So I'll show you what that looks like. Well, that sums up this warp wall video. I really hope you enjoyed.
You know what? I'm really starting to feel like a real ninja.
Me too.
You know what? That reminds me of a ninja joke.
Good. What is it?
How many ninjas does it take to fix a light bulb? Where'd that light bulb come from?
I don't know. Where did it? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. Bye!
Say that again.
Bye. Wait, we're doing bloopers?
Yeah?
Yes!